Hi, this is Dave Barlow from the Web Maverick, and in this tutorial for Websites for 150 I'm going to show you how to create a new page for your site. So the first thing we need to do is log in, and I'm not going to explain it again. I'm not going to fill your head full of stuff. I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do. You just follow this video step by step and it's dead easy. The first thing we need to do is we're going to do something we haven't done before. We are going to go to Category Manager, which is this one here. So if you click on Category Manager, and in there you'll see all the different categories. Some your site is using, others are there by default. Do not worry. So when we're in Category Manager, we're going to go to the button up here on the right that says New. It's this button here. So click on New. And in this category, it's going to be about me. So I'm going to have a page on my site about me. So I'm going to call this category by my name, which is Dave Barlow. And you'll see there's another box here which says alias. Now what this does on your site, when you type in Dave Barlow, and I'm going to show you how to do it, or type in what your category is, it'll help your page to be a little bit more Google friendly. So please do this, and I'm going to type in, so whatever it is, I'm going to type in Dave, and if there's a space, hyphen Barlow. Obviously if it's just one word you're putting in, you won't need any hyphens, and it's all lowercase. So once we've done that, leave everything as it is and click on Save. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, what we do now is we go to our article manager. It's probably the simplest way. So from Content, Article Manager, or if you're not sure, you can go to Site, Control Panel, back to your login screen here, and click on Article Manager. And you'll see your articles you got there. Now what we're going to do is we need to add text to create this page. So what we do is we go up on the right hand side again and we click on New for a new article. And the title of that article will be called Dave Barlow. The alias again will be Dave-Barlow. I just keep everything the same because it's just easy to follow. So now all we need to do is, in our WYSIWYG HTML editor, WYSIWYG standing for what you see is what you get, HTML editor, we're going to type in some text. Now at this point I'm going to stop just a second at this point, because a lot of people, they'll type in what they want to say, all their text stuff on a Microsoft Word document first. If you've got a Microsoft Word document, rather like this one here, which I want to put in here, you can't just copy and paste from a Word document. It causes all sorts of problems. So instead of doing that, is we just copy everything from a Word document, and then we open up a notepad. I've got a notepad here. Everybody's got notepad, even a Mac has a kind of notepad, and you can find it on your computer quite easy. Click on notepad, and I bring my notepad here, and then we paste it into Notepad. Seems a bit of a long way around of doing it, but trust me, it needs to be done this way. So once we got the text in Notepad, I'm going to copy that again and then paste it straight in. You can either right click and paste, or you can hit Control and V on your computer keyboard. So now we've got the text in, that looks all hunky-dory. I'm going to put an image in too, so let's find an image. I'm going to browse. I've got an image on my computer. I think I got me. There it is. I'm going to upload that. Again, I've already uploaded this previously, so it's going to say error file exists, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to click on it anyway. Type in my name, because this is me, Dave Barlow. Dave Barlow. We need to type like we did last time, just to give it an image description. You can put a caption in there which comes underneath. You don't have to. I don't usually bother. And all we do now is click the insert button, and there's our image. I don't like the image there, so I'm going to show you something. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to put the image up here in front of my name. Image again. We've already uploaded the image, so I click on the image again, type this in again. Bit repetitive, but it's a proper way of doing it. Dave Barlow. Paste that one. Dave Barlow. And insert. Okay, so there's my image there. Click on the image, and then a little icon here, like we did previously. I'm going to move that so the image is to the left, like that. That'll do. That's great. Okay, so so far so good. What I'm going to do, I've got a little extra video after this one where we're going to dress this up to make it look a bit better. But for now, leave it like that and click on Save. Oh, we got to select an action. Sorry, I'm running away with myself. In here, we got what we call a section. You need to choose the section. The section will be Home. In the category, we're going to put it in the category that we made up called Dave Barlow, which is just there. And then we're going to click Save. So there we go. So let's quickly have a look at our site. Okay. And you'll see that the button's not there. The Dave Barlow button's not there. About me, or what you want to call it, is not there. But there's one more step we need to make the button appear up here. So next thing we do is we go to Menus and then go to Top Menu. Websites for 150 uses the top menu, so we always go there. So, and here you can see our menu: Home, About, Free Joomla Tutorials, Websites for Everyone. Let's just double check that. As you can see, there it is. Okay, there they are. So we have to assign a menu, a tab in the menu. So it's easy enough. Click on the New button, and then you get an item type. What I would choose, you can choose any one you like, but I would choose Articles, and then from the article drop down list, category blog layout. Okay, so and we have to call it a title. Now the title is going to be whatever what the button's going to say. So, and you'll see it in a second. So I'm going to call it. I'm just going to put About Dave Barlow, just so you can see, right? And again, we make an alias. Dave Barlow. Okay, so we've got that. So everything's in there okay. The next thing we need to do is we need to select the category for this button as well. And this is going to be Home Dave Barlow. In the description, I just keep it as it is. I just keep everything the same as it is right there. Dead easy. And I'm going to click Apply. Then let's take a look at our website. You can either click it up here because I've already got it there, or you can click on Preview. And look at that, About Dave Barlow. There you go. And there is the article I've put in. Super duper. So that's how easy it is to do that. If you didn't get this the first time, don't worry, just kind of watch the video again or do it in bits and pieces. Before I go, I just want to show you that you'll probably notice that most of my articles, this got this title in here, and I don't usually like to have that title like that, and I'm going to cover this in the next web tutorial. Plus I'm going to cover how to make this maybe look a little bit better, give it a little bit more pizzazz. So with that, I'll speak to you in the next tutorial. In the meantime, have some fun with building some new pages. I'll speak to you soon.